Dude, I got the biggest fucking headache right now. Because my stupid ass fucking neighbor decided to put a month's worth of laundry in the fucking dryer and that shit exploded. It burned and all the smoke and shit came into my apartment because the apartments attached to each other. Oh my god, I'm in my room on the second floor. The fire was in the basement of their apartment. There's like a wall between our apartments and the basement. So all that smoke came into my apartment. I went outside and looked that the firefighters had to pull the whole dryer out or whatever. And they took all the clothes out because they were on fire. I went to my back door because I had to open it so we can ventilate the apartment. The amount of clothes they put in that fucking dryer. No fucking lie. It had to be a month or 2 months worth of fucking clothes. Who puts that many clothes in the fucking dryer? Where it's stuffed to the brim? Are you an idiot? You're a freaking idiot. And then, she's a person that she moved here because her other apartment had caught on fire. Supposedly, somebody set the house on fire. And then finding out that her mom died in that fire. And then, I swear to fucking God, this woman I'm gonna beat the shit out of her, I swear to God. Last winter, she had an extension cord hanging out the fucking window in the middle of a storm because she wanted to put Christmas lights out. But the way she did it, it was like hanging on the window on the house. It wasn't like out, like where it's flat or whatever. Like, I don't know. But it wasn't traditional Christmas lights. They were makeshift lights. And the way she positioned it, the water was just touching that extension cord, that my man went over there and told her, you have to take that down. You're scaring us with that shit. Like, you can't just think for yourself. When you live in a duplex, there's 2 families. So if it messes up your family, that means you're messing up my family. I have a lot of stuff in my house that is meaningful to me that we worked hard to get. Well, my husband worked hard to get, because most of the electronics and stuff he bought. But I'm just flabbergasted. At least I got to see some firefighters. But yeah, they were super nice, thank God. They told us to get out of the house, and me and my husband's out of the house, and we're like, holy shit, we gotta get our son. Because he's upstairs in his room in his own la la land. I had to wake him up and shit to get him out the house. And all the house smells, and I got a headache. What do I do to get this smell out? We got all the windows open. It's freaking 20 degrees outside. So imagine my fucking, what's that called? My heat bill is gonna be. Because we have to turn up the heat to be able to have all these windows and doors open and shit. Thank God it's a nicer day. It's probably like 30 degrees. So it's nicer than the last couple days that were like 5 degrees at night. But I'm just so annoyed. Well, I hope everyone had a better day. Now I'm about to order some pizza and watch my Celtic game. So the Celtics better bounce fucking back too. Fucking losing games. Anyways, I hope everyone has a wonderful night. Bye.